it two ways. So I got this big box from Nigeria. Look at it, guys. Let me show you the box. I got this box. Can you see the box? From Nigeria. It's a very big box. It's a very massive box from Nigeria, my country. I got this big box, and I'm going to be unboxing it. I have some of my items inside. Most of everything inside are my own. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Esther and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. So it's the season of my birthday. Yes, I'm going to be 40 very soon. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, if it's before or after my birthday. Whenever you see, just know that I'm already 40 or I'm just a few weeks before 40. So I got this big box from Nigeria, my country. Yes, I got this big box. They are my items. I got some items already, and this box contains some items that my sister have been keeping for me since, and most of the items are items I'll be using for my birthday. Meanwhile, for this my birthday, there's going to be party. Yes, there's going to be party, and I don't know if you're going to see this video before then, but whatever it is, just welcome your baby girl to the 4th floor. So I wanted to start unboxing. I thought, no, let me unbox it with all of you, my G's, because of course, you're going to be hearing more about the birthday if you've not even started hearing about it. Meanwhile, as you watch this video, please like the video and drop me a comment after watching. So let's start. The box, let me tell you the background story. This box ought to have come in since last week, but there was, you know, there was 1 or 2 issues on the way, but finally the box is here, thank God. So it was a few days late, and it came in with UPS all the way from Nigeria. So I don't know if I've ever done an unboxing on this channel, or maybe 1 or 2. So I said, come on, let's unbox this box together. So guys, the birthday, it's not small thing. No. A lot of people are coming through for me. Some people are coming in from outside the country, or some people came in. Like I said, I don't know when you will watch this video. Some people came in from outside the country. But majority of what is here, they are clothes though. Majority of what I have here are clothes and shoes and what have you, some items my sister bought for me. I have one sister, and I don't joke with my sister. I see my sister as my mommy. Yeah. So let me show you. Let's look at inside. Oops. Oh, let's look. I told you much of what is our inside are materials. So let's start unboxing them one by one. What is this? I guess this one is from my sister. Yeah, I guess this is from my sister. Oh yes, this is from my sister because she got me some jewelries. I told her I need some jewelries and I can be wearing at home. Some small jewelries. So this is from my sister. I hope this sizes me. Oh, I love it already. So my beloved sister, Auntie Omwa, thank you. I love you, sis. So this is one. I'll be dropping them here. It's an Ankara dress. This is also from my sister. It's Dana Kente, like something. Oh, wow. It's also from my sister. And it's very, very long. Wow. See? It's also for my sister. It's a long dress for my beloved sister. My sister, my mommy. This from her also. Keeping it here. Oh, this is my purse. This is my party purse. This is the purse I'm going to open it. Don't worry, if you have not seen it, you are going to see it. You will see this is my party purse because I have to get some things from Nigeria. You know all these Instagram vendors. Wow, this is so lovely. This is so lovely. Let's take a thumbnail with it. This is so lovely. I love it. Oh my god. This is a purse. Oh, easy. Let's drop this one here. Please don't fall down. And this is what my ashrebi looks like. This is my ashrebi. This is the ashrebi dress. So I sold ashrebi, yes, and I sold it for, this is what the Ashwebi dress looks like. This is what it looks like, the Ashwebi cloth. This is my Ashwebi material. Yes, I thought, because I also made one for myself. So I guess this is the scarf. I guess this is the scarf. So, but this is my Ashwebi cloth. I have this international tailor. This is something I told her to make for me. It's just a plain pants, and a top. Oh, this is so thoughtful of her. She sent me a rope just in case I need to do some adjustment. Wow, this is so nice. Look at the hands. This is nice. Guys, just be patient, eh? What's the time now? Okay, we still have time. So this is my Ashwebi cloth. I guess this is the scarf, like I said. This is the scarf of my own dress because I bought one for myself. And this is the gele. Who wants this gele? This is for one of my sister's clothes here. Zainab. This is so hard. Guys, are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? This is a dress again. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is a white dress. It was made by my sister also. What size is mine? White dress. Made by my beloved sister. Wow, this is nice. Dry lace. And it came with a scarf. Guys, I'll put this inside. What is this one? Now there are Street beside. This one was okay. These are wigs. I also sell wigs. These are wigs. These are wigs for some customers. Let's respect the privacy of the customer, but they are wigs. Million braids wigs. This is a slipper from Nigeria. Instagram vendors came through. Oh, this is 41. It's supposed to be 42. It is beautiful. Yeah, 41. It's 42. I want it. And this is another slippers. Wow. Anyway, I have so many items like that. Like I said, most of them are clothes. Yeah, this is my Ashwebi. Mama Osato. This is for somebody. Because it's not only my items that are there. Mama Osato. That's for Mama Osato. And this is, I guess this is mine. Anyway, so far, basically, these are the things inside my box. I want to watch more. This is another thing. But it's clothes because I help some people to also bring their clothes. This is cloth. This is cloth. This is a dress, black dress. This is after party dress. Oh, I was supposed to wear this for a wedding on Saturday, but it didn't come. So I wore something else for a wedding in town. Wow. Oh my God, I have a lot. I guess this is mine. This was the mine. This is Euro dress. This is my Ashwebi cloth. So I made one for myself. This is it. This is it. This wrapper. Euro dress. So guys, it's plenty. This is the gele. Can you see how lovely? Oh, how lovely. Okay. So far, this one is for somebody. What's the name? Mama Osato. This one is for somebody. Like I said, this is my Ashwebi cloth. This is for somebody. And this is somebody's material that the person wants here. We still have like 4 weeks to the wedding. So we have a tailor that will make her own for her. So basically, just African items. Just African. This is another cloth. My house is full of African things. Oh, look at these beautiful slippers. This is so beautiful. I love it. Do you like it? So, guys, this is also the slippers. Wow, this is so nice. This is also the slippers. I bought them and I was buying them separately and I had to gather them. So, thank you so much to my beloved Ronke for gathering all these things and sending them to me. This is also, wow, this one is good. This is also another one. So, party is ready. So, thank you so much if you have watched this video to this extent. I just thought to unbox this clothes with you and look out for the fine pictures that I'll be taking with them next time. Bye-bye. Please remember to like and share and leave me a comment. I love you all.